Okay, let's look at our last part. Let me share my screen. Here we go. All right, so the first question says, John is training for a half marathon. For the problems below, use tape diagrams, numbers, and words to explain each answer. So let's look at the first one and read it. Each day, John runs on the treadmill 3 kilometers and runs on the outdoor track 500 meters. In all, how many meters does John run each day? So right now we know that he runs on the treadmill 3 kilometers, and then he also runs on an outdoor track for 500 meters. And what are they asking us? They're asking us in all, that means all together, how many meters does he run each day? Okay, so let's make our boxes with our information, our tape diagrams. Okay, so right now, I know that he runs on the treadmill for 3 kilometers. So I'm going to put 3 km, right? Because I know he does that. And then it says he also runs on an outdoor track for 5,000 meters. 5,000 meters. So what I'm trying to figure out is I'm trying to figure out all together, like how much does he run each day? So what do I need to do to figure that out? I'm going to add those two together. So we'll start with 3 kilometers would be the same thing as 3,000. Meters. And then I have 5,000 meters. And I said I needed to figure out altogether how much he runs each day. So I'm just going to add those. And I come up with 8,000 meters. But the direction says I need to write it in numbers and words and explain each answer. So I need to put in a little box here so I can explain my answer, and it's good to use part of the question in your answer. So the question said, in all, how many meters does John run each day? So I can say, John runs 8,000 meters, or I could just say 8 kilometers each day. Okay, now let's look at this one. This one says, since John has started training, he has also been drinking more water. On Saturday, he drank 1 liter, 575 milliliters of water. On Sunday, he drank some more. If John drank a total of 3 liters, 145 milliliters of water on Saturday and Sunday, how many milliliters of water did he drink on Sunday? So let's look at each part of the problem. So since John has started training, he's drinking more water. On Saturday, we know he drank 1 liter, 575 milliliters of water. And then on Sunday, we know he drank some more. And we know the total. If John drank total of 3 liters, 145 milliliters of water on both Saturday and Sunday, how many did he drink on Sunday? So our question's right here. We need to know how many he drank on Sunday. And it doesn't directly say that. So let's use the tape diagram to figure it out. So we know, let's make 2 of these. And then, okay, so what we do know is on Saturday, how much he drank. So this one can be Saturday. And we'll put 1 liter, 575 milliliters. So that's a definite, we know that information. And on Sunday, we just know he drinks some more. So that doesn't really tell us what he actually drank on Sunday. So that's part of what we're trying to figure out. But we know he drank a total, so altogether, between these 2 days, he had 3 liters, 145 milliliters. Okay, so that's with this and this. So it says, how many milliliters of water did he drink on Sunday? Well, how are we going to figure that out? We know the total, 3 liters, 145 milliliters. So let's convert that to milliliters. So it's going to be 3,145 milliliters. That's our total. And we're still trying to figure out right here, but we know this information. So we're going to subtract, and we can change it into milliliters. 1,575 milliliters. Let's subtract it. 5 minus 5 is 0. Can't do this, so I'm gonna take a group here, change that to 0. Make this 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Can't do, take 5 away from 0, so I'm going to borrow from over here. There we go. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we know that this is how much he drank, and then we just have to check our question and make sure we're answering the right thing. It says, how many milliliters of water did he drink on Sunday? So that was the part we were trying to figure out. So we just need to put it in an answer form. Using the question is always a good idea. So we could say his name, John drank. We said 1,570 milliliters of water on Sunday. And if you want to be even more accurate, you could say, or 1 liter, 570 milliliters of water on Sunday. All right, let's look at the next one. Okay, so this next one, let's start by reading it. Since he began exercising so much for his half marathon, John has been losing weight. In the first week of training, he lost 1 kilogram, 320 grams. In the following 2 weeks of training, he lost 1 kilogram, 645 grams each week. John now weighs 59 kilograms, 470 grams. What was John's weight in grams before he started training? So let's look at the different parts. So we know he's exercising, he's losing some weight. So the first week, he lost this much, 1 kilogram, 320 grams. In the following 2 weeks, so we're talking about 2 more weeks time, he loses 1 kilogram, 645 grams each week. Okay. And then John now weighs 59 kilograms, 470 grams. So we know his total weight right now. Okay, and then we need to figure out what are they asking us to do? What was John's weight in grams before he started training? And then we have to explain our thinking. So let's start with knowing, let's start with our tape diagrams. Let's see. I know the first week, how much he lost, and I know that there's 2 more weeks of training and how much he lost each week. So for each of those 2 weeks, and then how much he weighs right now. Okay, so real quick, we know that he now weighs 59 kilograms. Write this real quick. know he weighs 59 kilograms, 470 grams right now. And then we're going to put in his lost weight. So he lost 1 kilogram, 320 grams. And then he additionally lost each week, he lost 1 kilogram, 645 grams. He did that twice. 1 kilogram, 645 grams. And I'm gonna have to make another video.